slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys, RV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Jordan 1 High in Team Red. That's the colorway name. I think, at least, I don't know 100%, but the colorway name will be in the title. So either way, if you're new to the channel, drop a like, turn on notifications, subscribe, all that. If you follow my Instagram, shouts out to you. If you don't already, go in the description at RV Stuff TV. And with that out of the way, I don't condone buying any of the stuff you see on the channel. You guys do what you want with the money, like I do with mine, like I always say. So let's get right into it. These took about 2 weeks to get here. Came double box, bubble wrapped. Box is a little bit banged up, but nothing crazy. And yeah, man, that's basically it. So starting off, we'll take a look at the seller information here. So there's that. We got all the info, and if you use the code RV Stuff, you can save yourself $15 site-wide on your first purchase. So there's that. And as for the shoes, we'll pick them up, throw them to the side. This is the box they come in. So yeah, these are size 9. Came a little bit banged up. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, that's basically it. Inside the box, regular old Nike box for the most part. You do get an extra set of laces here. So these are in a box for once, not a bag, but yeah, there's that. So a little set of burgundy red laces, I guess, and you have a set of white ones on the shoes themselves here, so that we're going to be taking a look at. So throw that box to the side. Here is the shoe itself. Let me get a good focus on it. There you go. So yeah, you can see good quality, a little bit creased there, but nothing major. It's just the way the leather is, so wear them and it'll go away. But yeah, you can see no glue stains. Stitching is proper all throughout, and just overall looks like a Jordan 1 to me. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, there's that. A little bit dented here, just the way it was in the box. Again, you can literally just wear them and it goes away. These do come with a set of white laces, like I said. So there's that. Inside the shoe, you see the size tag there. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see that, but tucked away under there. And yeah, everything else, you already know the drill. It's a Jordan 1. Tongue is a little misshapen just because, again, it came unlaced. So that's that. Nike Air. Oh, it's so nice to see the Nike Air. I don't know what it is, man, but every time there's a Nike Air on a shoe, makes it like 10 times better. Just a classic vibe. So, but yeah, you can see shoe looks a lot more burgundy in video. It's a little bit more red in person. Pardon my dog if you hear her in the background, but bottom of the shoe, it's more like this red in person, the rest of the shoe. So maybe a tad darker, but not by much. But yeah, you can see quality's on point. Shoe looks good all throughout. Here is the other shoe. This is a Jordan. Close up for y'all there. And you can see quality is just looking mint, man. Some little wrinkles in the leather, nothing crazy, but yeah, man, that's YesKicks for you. Never really had an issue with them unless you get like off-whites or something early on in their production. Then you'll see a little bit more issues there, but besides that, nothing crazy at all. And for the price, you can't complain. So yeah, basically it. Same deal on this shoe though. Got the white laces inside, Nike Air. Let me try to little zoom there. There we go. So yeah, you can see a size tag there. Zoom back out. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. There's not much else to say. You already know, Jordan 1s, classic shoe. What are you gonna do? You know what I mean? So that's basically it. I think it's a fire colorway. These are personally not for me, but I digress. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, guys. Follow me on Instagram at RVStuffTV. And without that out of the way, I'm gonna let y'all go enjoy your night or day or morning or whatever evening, whatever time you're watching this. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Stay tuned.